Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how we can uninstall Maven in a Mac system. The approach we will take to uninstall Maven will depend how you would have installed the Maven at the first place. So you can install Maven using Homebrew or without Homebrew. So let's first see if you had installed Maven using Homebrew, then how we can uninstall that. So let's move to the terminal and we will first check whether it is installed through Homebrew or not. So to check that, we will run this command brew list and maven. If you do not get any error in the output of this and you get output something like this, then it means you had installed maven using Homebrew. So in order to uninstall the maven in such case, it is preferable to use the Homebrew itself. So for that, you just need to run brew uninstall and maven, and that's all you need to do in order to uninstall maven using Homebrew. Homebrew will take care all of the things, like it will remove all the related files which were downloaded or installed because of maven. So it will take care all of such things itself. So we just need to run this particular command brew uninstall and maven, and I will hit enter. So now if you check mvn space hyphen version, then if you get this type of output, then it means maven is uninstalled. So this was the way how you can uninstall maven if you had installed maven using Homebrew. Now let's see how we can uninstall maven if we did not use the Homebrew at the first place to install the maven. For that, when will you check brew list and maven, then you will get such type of error. It means maven was not installed using Homebrew and it was installed using the binary files from the Apache Maven's official website. So for that, first we will check what is the location where it is installed currently. For that, we will run which, then mvn. This will give the path where this mvn file is existing on our system. So in the output you will get the path like this. So we need to remove this particular folder, Apache Maven and the version name. So we need to remove this particular folder entirely. So let's remove this. So we will go to this particular location first. Then we will do sudo rm hyphen rf, then Apache and Maven and the whatever the folder name is. So it might ask you the password for the Mac system. So if I check again which maven, then mvn will not be found. So it means the directory is removed. One more thing you might need to do is, if you would have set the m2 underscore home variable or the path variable in the ZAD profile file or the ZSHRC file, then you will need to unset these variables also. So for me, I have set this into the ZSHRC file. So I'll go to that file. I'll open that file using VI editor. So I'll do ZSHRC. Then I have set these variables here. So I need to delete these. So I will move to the insert mode first. So I'll press I and you will see here the insert will be written. So I have pressed I. So the file is in insert mode now. So I can edit anything in this particular file. Now I will remove these two lines where the path I am setting for the Apache Maven and the m2 home variable. So after deleting these, I will press escape button, then colon and WQ, and I'll hit enter. If I open a new tab to check this particular variable, so if I do echo dollar m2 underscore home, then you will not get any value in the output of this m2 home variable. So it means this particular value is deleted from the environment variables. So we have seen how we can uninstall Maven whether it was installed through Homebrew or without Homebrew. Still, if you face any issue, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the another video.